Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ka Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Person with Disabilities Shillong, ka bahap hapo ka jingpet jong ka Administrative Control jong ka Nipmet Chennai, ringkat lang bat ka prathai barok kawai, ka laraki Kyrpang ya kasi jong Diengduh Lieh, ya ka bala juraki haka khazantarik ubanai risau manla usnam. Ban pensuthu syaki para Briew ba Diengduh Lieh, udai Nongkdew Lynti ki Briew, ki badon ka Duna haka borio I jong kikhman, ka Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, kala pelong da ka jinga rali jong ki khana school, ka Jyoti Srot Inclusive School Shillong, ringkat ka jiadon lang jong ki obsar ka CRC Shillong, lambat ki nohikai jong ka Jyoti Srot Inclusive School, bat ki pulit jong ka tanat penyai kali ka laim khra traffic branch. Ha ka jingraki ya kanega Sngi, lasaki lang da director jong ka Nipmet Chennai, Nachikita Raut, nodal officer jong ka CRC Shillong, Dr. Roshan Bijli, officer in charge Ram Shakal Sahani, ka Kongsastinas ki Warshong, ka balong ka orientation and mobility instructor jong ka CRC Shillong, ka Kongshana Solia ka badai ka vice principal jong ka Jyoti Srot Inclusive School, bat ka Kong Bertha Jidakhar ka badai ka senior program coordinator Education jong ka Bethany Society Learning Sanctuary.
Who teaches you how to use the cane? Very good. I would like to thank the CRC, Composite Regional Center here in Shillong, Meghalaya, for organizing this awareness program. It is, yes, we've heard that the white cane is a symbol of independence, self-confidence, and also provides safety to people with visual impairment and left blindness. Right? Lieh white cane de kuna ulang kadak wa ladari tundang kamangi ibong iman Lieh ayu biarap ini lihat intia Lieh mantap bedel I ini bagi lihat ni menghasilkan yang awak motivate independent, right? Self-confidence is how skills come. Lihat ni, but safety
part and parcel of the society. The white cane just help the people around us to be more aware that if a person is holding a white cane, it symbolizes that this person cannot see or has a problem with sight. The white cane symbolizes that a person is blind, but if there's a red band, it symbolizes that a person is not only blind but also have a problem with hearing. The white cane has been recognized internationally as a symbol of a Ïohi, and we believe that each and every person with visual impairment should be given an opportunity, should be treated equally and be very much part of the society. Worldwide Cane Day enables us to spread awareness among the community, and there are many people who actually doesn't know, but it's only after seeing the white cane that they realize that this person, maybe something is wrong. But if on this day we have a program, awareness program in and around our area, more people will be aware, and it will help each and everyone to know more about the people with visual impairment. The message of the Worldwide Cane. Hey!